From alleged abuse to bullying, recent viral videos on social media have sparked quick action by law enforcement. But it takes more than just likes and shares to move a case forward. Bryce Moore reports.
The video shows multiple teenagers attacking a woman on the street. Within hours, it had gone viral. At one point, over 11,000 were watching a live stream as a crowd went to confront those they believed were responsible.
I was a little bit surprised that it got that heated that quickly. I think it was because of the fact that the woman was severely beaten on camera. That just elicits an extreme response. Anything involving animals where they're getting abused, or even people who are, for example, disabled, or, just people that are being unfairly treated in a grandiose way.
Other recent viral videos of alleged animal and child abuse have also sparked community concern. But I'm told prosecuting these cases isn't as simple as uploading clips to social media.
In my opinion, as a former prosecutor, we have to have the person that took the video. The person has to say that it's a true and accurate copy of the video he or she took. He or she didn't revise it, change it.
Cal points out the pursuit of justice has its own rules of evidence for showing video in court. And just because a video has gotten thousands or even millions of views online, it doesn't mean it will be played in front of a judge.
And moreover, people that take videos don't want to be questioned by the police department. They don't want to have their phones recovered. They don't want to have their valuables taken from them. So they don't give up the video. So we have that disconnect, right?
The Honolulu prosecutor's office says while videos are useful in proving a case beyond reasonable doubt, they've seen no increase in pressure to prosecute cases that have gained traction online. Adding in part through a statement, we will file charges if, after a thorough investigation by law enforcement, there is sufficient evidence to prove the case beyond a reasonable doubt at trial. That standard does not change regardless of how the case came to the attention of law enforcement. Bryce Moore, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.